Well, that's kind of a lot. It's make me something to eat. I am starving. I'm a pro at doing the eggs. That's how I was taught. You use the fork or the knife. Look at that. I'll make mine with tomato today. Bring some and get some salt in here and pepper to taste. Everybody ask why you put pepper. This is why I put pepper. There is not gonna be much mixing, we know that. I got my pan here, we're ready. Bruh, there is no effect. There we got the effect. Oh boy, that's not gonna work. Did you fry the eggs? Too much fire. One more vegetable. Use the spinach. Let's go. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna go. Oh boy. Hey, finally. I got this thing here. Trying to figure out how to eat it. It's so big. Oh boy, I am not figuring out. Let's go with this. Now that's burnt, but okay. Gonna eat it like that with a fork. Sounds like a plan. Bon appetit. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Let's see the egg. Okay, there we go. That's how it turned out. Eggs and flatbread. That is hot, like fire.